Hey YouTube, Jay Kilroy here, working a little project, and had the man in the brown truck show up with an addition to my tap and die set collection. Some of you might know I have an illness. It's called I collect tap and die sets. Get a knife here. Wow. Anyway, I saw this baby and I couldn't pass it up, and so we're gonna take a look. Oh, I do need a knife. So let me bring the camera on over a little closer. We'll take a look at this edition. Alright, what we have here is a tap and die set made by Card, I believe is the maker. And there were several things that attracted me to this little set. Most of the sets I've gotten in the past are Little Giant style. I've kind of got a weakness for Little Giant tap and die sets and tap handles. This set, let's see, how do you open this? There you go. Nice little brass latches. Let me get you a close up of these babies. Very quality made latch with a couple little stops. You see the box latches on the top and the bottom. It opens both ways. It's another thing I liked about it. It's got a it's double jointed. So anyway, let's check it out. See if I can aim this down a little farther. So I was immediately attracted to this. So the couple things I liked about it. One, the box, the construction of the box is very well done. This is very nice. And then the one of the things that I found particularly nice about this handle, so it uses a bushing in the handle, a removable bushing, to guide your tap handle, and then there's a quantity, probably missing a few sizes, but no big deal, not like it'll be hard to make. There's a quantity of these small bushings. So I thought that was pretty neat. Put that back in there. Backwards, that's the reason it's not moving right. Then the other thing I liked about it was these are all, for the most part looking at it here, these are all Card brand, American made taps, dies here. We've got some pretty small sizes. Here's a 256. I think the biggest here is here's a 5/16 by 24. I think that's the biggest size. Here's a 1/4 by 24. I think that would be called a number 12 maybe. 1/4 by 24 is a pretty unusual size. 1/4 by 32. Certainly don't see that very often. 832. Here's a number 14 by 20. What size is that? B4. Excuse me. There you go. 1024. 1224. That's 8 by 40, 1032. So anyway, this is a nice little set. It's got a well-made box here. It's got a nice, here's another little tap without the guide collar. Very nicely made handle. So anyway, let's close this side up and open the other side. Alright, here's the back side. And a fairly decent size handle here. Well made, fairly well made here. 1/8 by 27 tap in there. That's actually a Greenfield tap. You can see the Greenfield symbol there. And this is a collection of mixed manufacturers here. Here's a handy pipe, 1/8 pipe, some Morse, Greenfield taps, but these are adjustable. These are quality die here. Oh. Sorry about my phone. And then this is a cutie. This has to be the smallest die stock I own. Here you go for reference. It's smaller than a Sharpie. And some little bitty dies over here. Here's a 0 by 80. 1 by 64. 2 by something I can't read. 4 by 36. 6 by 32. Sorry, I had to take a little break for a phone call. So we got a number 7 by 40. Now, let's see if I can read that. 7 by 40. Never seen a number 7. I know they exist. There's a number. There's a. Can't really. A number 8 by 40. Number 6 by 40. And this is a 3 by 48. So anyway, this is the new addition to the tap and die set collection. I think it was well thought out acquisition to add to the collection. So didn't pay a bunch for it. So I'm gonna get it cleaned up, get all the tools wiped down, and so that they don't corrode here in the humid atmosphere of Mississippi. And we'll get it added to the collection, and maybe you'll be seeing some of these taps. I have never cut a size 0 thread. I might have to do that just to try it. But anyway, just wanted to share that with you. There you go.